Hi there, students. Exorbitant. Okay, an adjective. Exorbitantly, an adverb. And what about a noun? Maybe exorbitance? Maybe. Okay, so if something is exorbitant, it's much too much, it's much too large. And most commonly, exorbitant is used about money. So they charged an exorbitant price for the water that they were selling. Yeah, water in airports is an exorbitant price. In the center of the city, the rents are exorbitant. They're outrageous. It's like extortion. Yeah. Okay, so much too large. The hotel charged exorbitant prices, but people paid it because it was fashionable. Yeah, if you don't pay back the money on your credit card, they're going to charge you an exorbitant interest rate. In the negotiation, he made exorbitant demands. Okay, asking far too much. Um, so, okay, the fine was exorbitant. Yeah. They paid exorbitantly for the luxury that they received. Okay, there you go as an adverb. The exorbitance of the price. I'm not very convinced about exorbitance, but still. Um, okay, yeah, paying exorbitant prices for designer labels is a very common thing. Um, the strikers were making such exorbitant demands of the company that they were not going to pay it. Yeah, the demands were just so exorbitant. We have to pay exorbitant taxes. Okay, so exorbitant are beyond what is reasonable, beyond what is customary, particularly with prices. Yeah, he received an exorbitant phone bill. Yeah, they were exorbitant extra charges. Okay, so beyond the bounds of reason, beyond what is normal. Yeah. So yes, exorbitant, excessively high, extreme, outrageous, unreasonable, undue, preposterous. So the housing prices in central London are exorbitant. They're extremely high. Yeah, they exceed proper limits. They're unduly high, excessive. Yeah. So yeah, if you want something like that, you're going to have to pay an exorbitant price. As to formality, a 5 in formality, use exorbitant absolutely anywhere. Yeah. Um, it's good. It's much better than expensive. This was exorbitantly expensive. That's a good collocation. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, ex orbitans, okay, from ex orbito. So to go out of the track, from ex, out of, and orbiter, a wheel or a racetrack. But also think about the verb to orbit. So if something goes out of orbit, it goes into outer space. So the exorbitant price is in outer space. Okay, so exorbitant, unbelievably high, particularly for prices, but you could use it for demands or interest rates or things like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Exorbitant.